Hi everyone, hope you all are doing wonderful. Today I want to take you through simplest way I prepare my okra stew or soup. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. This is my ayoyo leaves. This is water leaves. This is my turkey berries, my green pepper, chopped onions, and these are the proteins that I'm going to use. I have my crabs here, I have my cow skin here, I have my momone, I have my oyster here, then I have my fish as in tuna. And this is the okro. This is what we are going to use in preparing the okro stew. So sit by, relax, and let's go through the process together. I've got my blender here, so I'll pour in my peppers, then the onion, ginger, and garlic, everything here. We are going to grind it or blend it together. I'm done grinding the pepper, ginger, garlic, and the onions. So we'll pour it here. We'll go ahead and blend the turkey berries. Add a little water. So I'm done blending the turkey berries. I'm now going to strain it. I do not need the chaffs in there. We are going to put in our proteins. So we have already started with the method. We put in all the fish together with the crabs and everything here. Then we add our blended ingredients. That's the garlic, ginger, onions together. Then I add a little of the blended turkey berry too, just a little for taste. I forgot to introduce one of my secret ingredients, which is dawa dawa. Yes, so that's what I'm showing you. We are going to add a little to the stew. So that is the dawa dawa. So now we have put everything together. We are going to cover it and allow it to steam for some time. So we boiled the meat for the fish for some time. So we add the ayoyo, the green leaves. Yes, put everything in there. So we are going in with our boiled okro. The okro is already boiled, so we're just pouring it in. Then we give it a good mix. We are not going to allow it to boil for long. Then we add the boiled okra. Then the soup is ready. So we are going in with our boiled okra. The okra is already boiled, so we're just pouring it in. We are done with the okra stew. All that we need to add is our red oil. So now we are adding the red oil. The red oil is optional. You do not need much, just a little to make it colorful. That is all. You do not need much oil. So I come your way again. It is bye for now. If you have not subscribed yet, kindly do so.
So slimy, as you can see.
See you in my next video.